Ready.
Dismounted na west side. On ping. Fudo seed.
Yung oath ko, si Shaggy tsaka si Brownie. Use your demon on the Astral, on their brawlers. The other 3 demons, Carving,
Up and dahil west side.
yeah, and then Sticky.
Two square away from you. 2 square away from you. 1 square away from me. Looking.
Hold on. Yo, hold lang. Can you walk west a bit? Just hold.
Sure. Faking.
Fake.
It's a fake.
Yo, I'll fake as well. I just fake. Just brawl inside. Yo, careful, they're looking southwest. Yo, careful now.
Okay, fake.
Come southwest. Look on the skull mark. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That skull mark now. Okay, spread. Come west. Spread. Come west, guys. Don't kite. Spread west. They're getting broad. Come west. Yo, keep walking. Just spread.
Okay, demon.
Okay, come west.
Tangin dito sa pangalan mo.
Catch mo nga yung naka sword mark. Dali mo sa
Sige lang.
Hold. Just hold.
Ano nga papatay ng
QSW is the thing.
QW the mobs. Wait.
Looking.
Cobra sila. Wait. Hold lang.
Ingat sis. Maglulok sa atin yan.
Northwest 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northwest now. Okay, careful. Def.
Demon.
Walk in. Walk east side. Come east. Keep walking east. Yo, brawl now. I'll fake. Keep rolling. Come east. Look on the east side, on the blight. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside. Kill inside. Good. Spread now. Def. Heal inside. Heal me. I need heals. Heal inside, guys.